Hi, my name is Chris. Welcome to my bus. Come on in. Yeah, how we started the school bus thing, we went down to the Motor Speedway in Atlanta 3 years ago, and we was at a tiny home show. We went down there to see the tiny homes, and Carol was more interested, CJ was more interested in the school bus. I said, let's look at the tiny homes. Needless to say, after we got back from the tiny home show, 2 weeks later, she shows up. I come home and I said, CJ, whose bus in the yard? And she said, that's our tiny home. I said, tiny home? Yes, that's our tiny home. So I had to go to work and start building out this school bus. Welcome to the living room area. Now in the living room area, we have a TV. On the other side of the television, I have a fireplace. I got the man cave chair. Over here, I have a radio with a DVD player, M3 player, which we can listen to all types of music. We got a futon, which we let out for two to sleep. And underneath the futon, we have a water storage that holds 54 gallons of water. The lights are LED lights. They have switches where you can turn them on and off. This light right here is a light, and also it's a phone charger. The curtain, the design of the curtain was done by Carol King. On the side arm rail, we have cup holders that you can put your bubble cups. Welcome to the kitchen. Okay, in the kitchen, we have our Curad coffee maker. We have a 3-eye stove top. We have a oven that we can bake chocolate chip cookies. We have cabinetry to hold our dishes. Okay, on the backsplash, we have a backsplash with a silver lining, which we purchased at Floor & Decor. We really like that backsplash. And then over here, we accent it with a mosaic backsplash. The cabinets was built by me and a friend, Johnny Joyner. It was a team effort to make sure that the cabinetry was aligned and nicely proportioned. Okay, and we have this beautiful rack that holds all the kitchen utensils. It was purchased from IKEA, along with the planter and the hooks that hold the kitchen accessories. And we have a deep stainless steel sink. I really enjoy having a full-size sink where I can really get in and wash dishes and cook and clean and prepare each meal. On the other side here, we have a microwave, which is fully accessible. Here we have a 10 cubic foot refrigerator, which we can hold all types of goodies. I was fortunate to meet my friend Johnny Joyner that does trailer conversions. And him, CJ, Angela, and we started on a school bus build-out expedition. And after many days of hard work, this is what we came up with. I have an AC unit that runs off of 30 amp. The AC gets so cold in here till we have to turn on the fireplace. Here we have a ostrich soft touch leather that we've covered the wall accented with the white tile. Love is here. Under the Love is Here sign, this is the furnace thermostat. It's ran from propane. We have a propane furnace. Here we have a big closet that we use to store our clothing. Also, we have another closet that we use for a food pantry. We have a bevel glass mirror, so that way you can look at yourself and make sure you're ready. Welcome to our bathroom area. Okay, in the bathroom we have a nice assortment of tile, a mirror. We have a toilet that runs by fresh water. I like to focus on the backsplash behind the toilet that is grouted. It's a beautiful mosaic tile. Welcome to the shower area. We have a full-size shower, a 36 by 36 shower. Plenty of headroom. We have tile up top, and we have a LED light inside. After we built out the bus, CJ came and did an awesome job with her interior design. She's a wonderful interior designer. I would like the world to know that she's a wonderful interior designer. She makes it feel like you're right at home. We use this bus for activities. We have a home, but we use this bus to go out on camping trips, on voyages, go up to the mountains, go to Lake Oconee, and just enjoy our time in nature. Welcome to our bedroom area. In the bedroom, we have a full-size bed. I was in the Navy for 22 years, and we like to make sure that everything is tight, where we have accessibility all around the bed. We have storage underneath the bed for things that we may not want out all the time. And here's the TV area that we have a DVD player, television. We have a desktop that we use. We have this area as a workstation, a computer workstation that can easily be raised and lowered. On this emergency escape door, we have soft touch leather material with a white case frame, and we have curtains. The thermostat that we have in the bedroom, we put the thermostat in the bedroom so that we can get proper cooling. And here's the thermostat, the dual thermostat. By having the thermostat in the bedroom, it makes it convenient so we have access to turn it up or down depending on the temperature. All our kids are out of the house. Okay. So right now, being that we have this bus and we're empty nesters, we can go out and have all types of fun. And we really enjoy the company that we have with Johnny and Angelo as we plan our next trip to wherever our hearts may lead us. As you can see, the bus is still yellow at the time. We have future plans of painting it, but until then, we love that bumblebee yellow. I love the yellow because it stands out, it's vibrant, and I have no problems getting in and out of traffic on the highway. On here we have the new set lock for security. On the back door entrance, we have the new set lock also. Right here we have our 30-gallon hot water heater that supplies hot water on demand. Here we have an electrical 30-amp cord that hooks up to all RV sites. Here is the furnace exhaust for the interior furnace. Down here, I have 2 marine batteries that runs the LED lights. I keep my water hose and my filter accessories right here. Thank you for coming out and seeing all our hard work. We really would like, if you see us around, to come and say hello. We'll be happy to see you. Have a blessed day.